Are you a fan of the Magic Treehouse series? Well, today I'm going to review for you a curriculum created by Jessica from the Waldock Way, which is called Passport to Adventures. Hey guys, it's Vonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys an awesome curriculum called Passport to Adventures that uses Magic Treehouse books as unit studies. So in searching for a history curriculum, I was always thinking like, man, it would be a great idea if someone would come up with a curriculum, a history curriculum based off of the Magic Treehouse books. And then in searching for it, I came across Jessica from the Waldock Way website and the Passport to Adventure curriculum. This curriculum has 30 weekly units with 29 different books from the Magic Treehouse series. And in these unit studies, families get to explore geography, history, art, and science while reading good books. When you order Passport to Adventures, you will receive a PDF file that includes your teacher's manual, your student notebook, and a couple of other goodies. So first I want to get into the teacher's manual. You have a list of all the different books that are involved in this course, such as Dinosaurs Before Dark, The Night at Dawn, Viking Ships at Sunrise, Stage Fright on a Summer Night, Thanksgiving Thursday, Polar Bears Past Bedtime, and lots more. The introduction explains what it's all about, talks about the Facebook group, the unit plans checklist, the book list, the activities, videos, games, additional links, extras, student notebook, and more. It also explains about reading aloud, sensory bins, art, videos, games, copywork, field trips, family movie nights, and writing prompts. With each unit, you have a book list of additional books. You have the book that you will need, which is going to be the Magic Treehouse book for the topic, and then you have a couple of other books that you can use to supplement with. There are also different suggestions for a TV, podcasts, websites, apps, and games. And then you jump into your units. It breaks it up into 5-day units with activities to do on each day. For example, on Unit 1 for Dinosaurs Before Dark, the main topic is dinosaurs. And on the first day, you're going to read 2 chapters of the book, and then from a nonfiction selection, and then you're going to complete an activity. The next day, you're going to read 2 more chapters, read from another nonfiction book, and watch a video. Sometimes you'll have to complete notebook pages, or play a game, watch a movie, or go on a field trip. There's always a list of Pinterest activities, videos, games, and extra things that you could do to make this unit study really come to life for your child. The next thing I want to show you is the student workbook. You have on the first page, it asks you to check off each title and color the map as you read your book through your adventures, and also to write down how Jack and Annie are similar and how they are different. So for each unit, you have different activities here. There may be coloring pages, writing prompts. You also have access to this Magic Treehouse game. You even have some printable movie tickets, which I printed onto cardstock and cut out. And the last thing you have is your timeline sheet, where these are books that you can put them in a timeline, hanging them up on the wall, or any way that you wish to do that. So I just want to share with you guys how I'm using Passport to Adventures this year. We are actually going to do it as unit studies in our morning basket. So each week I'm going to print out one of the unit studies at a time. I made my own little cover here for Night of the Ninjas. I asked my son which topics he wanted to learn, and those are the ones that we're going to be reviewing first. So I made my own little booklet here where I have the main topic that is from the curriculum. I included the coloring page, the Jack and Annie comparison sheet, and there was a link that goes to the Magic Treehouse website where you have the actual lesson plan, and you can do all these extra activities with your children. Social studies, science, speaking and listening, writing, reading, visual arts. There's different ideas like create a ninja training camp, And there's lots of different lessons in here, whether you're doing it for one child or a whole classroom. If you're doing it at a co-op, which would be an awesome idea for a homeschool co-op. This is how to create a ninja training camp. There's different links to videos as well. So with this ninja training course, we're gonna probably build some Ninjago Lego sets. We might even take a jiu-jitsu class or a karate class and just really have fun with this unit. And so we're gonna do that for each week. I'd like to, if there is a little field trip to do, we'll do that. If there's toys or games, you can find online. And also these unit studies from the actual curriculum gives you so many ideas. And it's a great way to learn about different things. We'll be learning about pirates and Vikings and dinosaurs and all types of things within our morning basket by using this Passport to Adventures curriculum. I hope you guys like that review, and if you do like the curriculum itself, I'm gonna link below Jessica from the Waldock Way YouTube channel and her website. Her website will be where you can purchase it, and then her YouTube channel has a review, her own review of the curriculum, as well as her other ones and a whole bunch of other goodies there, so you guys should definitely check that out. So thank you guys for watching. If you like curriculum reviews, I have a playlist here with plenty of them for you. I have day in the life videos of homeschooling and many other things, so make sure to browse this channel, subscribe if you like what you see, and I will see you guys next time.